Okay, I'm going to open an Avis this morning, but I received this best small padlock from Joshua, and I did pick it open. It picked open fairly easy, but I'm not going to pick it on camera. I cannot gut it. I've got to pick it to control to get it out so we can make a key for it. So we'll put that one to the side. But this Avis challenge lock from Roger Moore that Joshua sent me that we're going to open. As you can see, the lock is open now. I've already picked it open, but let's lock it back. Make sure it's locked. Okay, it's locked. So let's use the top of the keyway, and we'll use this pick, and we'll go all the way to the back. See if we can get back under that back pin. Okay, got it. Now let's work our way to the front. Okay, there it is, open. So we'll gut it and see what's in it. This Avis is really fairly easy to lock to open for some reason. So let's put it here, and let me get a Phillips, and let's open it up and look at the pins that Roger has in it. We don't have a key for this lock, so we don't really want to lock it back up. So let's leave it unlocked. Okay, we've got to get the clip off the back. Without locking it back. Takes longer to gut it than it does to open it. Whoops, I dropped the key pin out. Number 1 key pin. So I have to watch for that. Alright, see if we can do this without dropping, or I'll have to drop part of the key pins too as I do this. Whoops. There is number 6. It's number 5. Maybe I can keep the key pin from falling out. This core is very hard to remove for some reason. It just doesn't want to move. I just have to dump these out and try to hold those key pins in place. Alright. Okay, number 1 pin is serrated, number 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated, 5 is serrated, and 6 pin is serrated. Let's take a close look at the plug. Okay, it is threaded in every chamber, and looks like pin 2, 3, and 6 are slightly enlarged or countermilled, whichever way you want to look at it. And let's dump the springs out and let's have a look here. Alright, okay, part of the see if we can get a close look of it. Alright, looks like number 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, and 4 is threaded, maybe 5. Looks like 4 and, number 6 is threaded. Looks like 4 and 5 hasn't had anything done to them. Okay, that's what we have in the challenge lock from Roger Moore. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer look at the pins. Okay, on number 1 we have some type of spool. Here's a serrated pin and a serrated key pin. Another type of spool and a little bit of serration on number 3. There's another type of serrated pin and serrations on the key pin. Here's another serrated pin and serrated key pins. Okay, that's what we have in this ABUS challenge lock from Roger that Joshua sent. So I appreciate it, Joshua and Roger. I'll get some more of these locks open just as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. Thank you.